Managing cost matters, but doing it right means finding savings without sacrificing safety. Occupational health plays a key role, helping teams reduce injuries, avoid downtime, and control healthcare spending in the process. Preventive care like coaching and early intervention costs less than emergency treatment and time off. On-site clinics save time and money, offering fast, convenient care without the ER bill, near-miss reporting and hazard correction, zero-cost actions that prevent high-cost outcomes. Technology helps too. Real-time data allows for micro-adjustments, improving safety and efficiency in one move. Smart sourcing, like using generic medications or streamlined vendors, keeps care high and costs low. The biggest savings often come from the things you don't see, like the injury that didn't happen or the claim that never had to be filed. Empowering employees to speak up about risks is free, and it's one of the most valuable tools you've got. Cost control doesn't mean doing less, it means doing it smarter, together, and with safety still leading the way. Learn how smart health strategies save money. Visit medcor.com.